Okay guys, so 4th of July is right around the corner. I was at Home Depot yesterday and ran into a couple of things that I wanted to put together. Wasn't too sure, but here's what I found. We got a Definium Summer Cloud. It reminded me so much of the stars on the flag. So the blue color is not as blue as the flag, but it's a good color. And I think it'll contrast with everything else we got here. We have some pentas here. These right here remind me of fireworks. So we got the white and the red to go along with the stars and stripes. And then just to incorporate a spiller, we got a silver licorice plant. I was gonna go for two, but went ahead and went with one. It'll fill in and it'll look pretty good in there. So we're gonna do this in the patio today. It's hot as always. Coming around 4th of July, it's hot summer days, and I just wanted to get this out in time before the 4th of July. It's only a couple days away. The reason we're doing this is being in the military and having the background that we have. We want to celebrate this day, especially to commemorate everything that this country stands for and what I myself and my family stand for. We appreciate the freedom that we have, and not just myself, but my fellow Marines and from other services as well. So we're gonna go ahead and start here. I've got my soil already in here. We got some biotone starter that we put in there. That way they grow pretty good. This is not gonna be a long-term container. Like I said, it's only gonna be for the 4th of July, so we're not looking to leave this out there forever. Usually we would go with something galvanized, but I'm just using what we have around the house. It's not. I'm not gonna go out and buy something just for this. It's not gonna be up there long-term. It's got a nice brushed silver to it. I found this at Home Depot as well. I think maybe $5-7, I can't remember. And everything I got pretty much under $20, nothing too expensive. These say $6. It was $4. These over here are about $2.50 a piece, and then this one here was about $2.50 as well. So nothing really too expensive. If you're looking to put something together for the 4th of July, you can do it for under $20, like I said. And if you have a container sitting around the house, it's even better. It comes out a lot cheaper. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this planted and see what it comes out looking like. We're gonna go with the delphiniums first here in the back as the thriller. This will be the pop in the back, which is the most notable thing from the flag. You know, the blue background with the stars. So one thing we like to do on the 4th of July is barbecuing. And being from Texas, doesn't matter how hot it is. It could be snowing, it could be raining. Doesn't matter, we're gonna barbecue. So that's just one of the traditions we do on the 4th of July. I'm sure everybody has their own traditions. We like to eat, and trust me, if I had the time, we probably have another channel just based off of cooking. But there's not nearly enough time for that. Again, the 4th of July is one of those great holidays of this nation. This absolutely came out amazing. Looking at it now, love the way it looks. You know, it completely reminds me of the flag, stars and stripes, blue background with the stars, and then we have a little spiller here, a little nice silver color spilling over here. Again, we went with this just to keep it formal. It's going to go in the front porch. We just want to make it look a little bit formal and kind of go along with what we have already up there. It doesn't take away from much. It's not a galvanized pot just sitting there in the way. But again, I hope you guys like it. Comment below what you like to do for the 4th of July. If you like the container, please give us a like, and we'll see you when we do the next video.